Welcome to our channel Credence Investments. Technology-driven mutual funds research and advisory. Today, we are excited to kick off a new weekly series where we are going to compare the weekly returns of all Flexi Cap Category Mutual funds. Please subscribe to our channel as we'll be uploading these comparisons on a weekly basis, so stay tuned for regular updates. Let's get started. We are going to do a comparison of weekly percentage returns from 29th July 2024 to 2nd August 2024 of all mutual funds under Flexi Cap category. Here is a comprehensive report for all funds under Equity Flexicap category for the specified week 29th July 2024 to 2nd August 2024. The category average for this period is minus 0.595%. The category average percentage is calculated as average of percentage returns of all Flexi Cap mutual funds listed below. For reference, we have also included the Nifty 500 index fund return and the Nifty 50 index fund return for the same period to see how the all Flexicap funds performed against these indices. Now let's move on to the report. The columns include all Flexi Cap fund names, the launch date of these funds, which indicate the date of the first available NAV data for these funds available with us. Next columns are the NAV from 29th July 2024 to 2nd August 2024. And the percentage return of each fund during this period. The report is sorted with the Flexicap funds that had the highest returns during this period at the top, Bajaj Finserv Flexicap 0.51%. Let's go through the percentage returns of all Flexicap funds category in descending order of their returns percentage. The fund's return percentage highlighted in red could not beat the category average of minus 0.595% during this week. We have a total of 38 funds direct plan in the Flexicap category in this report. The last fund on the report, NJ Flexi Cap Fund, gave the least return for this week. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon. Like, comment and share for more videos on mutual funds research and analysis.